Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez, and today I have this really fun DIY for you. We are going to be doing these wooden bead carrots, and they are like a mini garland, and they can be sprinkled all over your house, but I personally think they'd be perfect for styling tiered trays. Now, these are the supplies we are going to be needing. Some beads, the sizes can be of your choice, some jute twine, orange paint, again of your choice, some scissors, paintbrush, and some skewers. Now we're going to start by protecting our surface because we are going to be painting our wooden beads. Now I am using 2 of every size. I have 3 sizes total, but it'll look just as fine if you use beads that are all the same size. Again, because I do a lot of crafting, I have all of this on hand. What'll give it more of its carrot look is the color and then the tassel that we're going to add to only one end, which is going to be like our green leafy carrot top. And we are going to be painting our beads with a wash, so that is equal parts acrylic paint to water. And I'm just going to be using this instead of a stain or straight acrylic on them to make the dry time faster, and also because it will give it a more opaque coverage, and that's personally the look that I was going for. Of course, you can paint them any color you want, natural. It would look really nice with your regular natural jute. I think that would look really cute, or with a nice brown stain to keep it more neutral. But I wanted to do this orange wash on it just so that it would match some of the other decor that I'm going to be doing for Easter. Now, if you want to make this project even more inexpensive, you can use the pack of beads that comes from Dollar Tree because it already has different sizes and they are bold, bright colors. So for those, I will suggest that you do a straight acrylic instead of a stain or a wash, because that'll just give you the best coverage. I end up doing a total of 3 coats of my orange wash, and then I just set them out to dry. Again, because it's a wash, the dry time will be super quick. And here are the dried beads. Now we are going to be using jute rope, and I have this orange one already on hand, but you can always use the green one. With the green one, we are going to be needing to make a tassel. That'll be, again, our carrot top. I do have a video coming up on different kinds of tassels, so stay tuned for that. Now, in order to make the feeding of the beads through the jute rope easier, I am going to attach tape at the very end, and this will make a second part of the carrot easier as well. So you are going to start with the smallest beads first, and do not cut it off of your spool of ribbon because it'll give you more workspace. And once you're at the very end, you see that it starts to take the carrot form. Now we are going to attach our tassel. Now usually you tie the top of the tassel, but I did feed it through the bottom just so that I didn't have any extra lingering green pieces, because we are going to insert to the little top the orange rope, and then we are going to tie a simple knot. And this is where adding the tape makes it easier too. Leave this end short because we are going to feed it through our last bead. If you leave it longer, it will feed through the rest of the beads, but just so that it hides and stays in place better, keep that end short. And now bring them all together. Again, look, it already looks like a carrot. This is where you'll want to tear off your other end to tie a tight knot here at the bottom to, again, keep them from falling out. And make sure you make that really tight because you don't want it to come undone after you've cut it. Now we are going to just trim off our tassel to our desired length. And because I never opened up the loops, and I wanted to show you this trick, is I add a little piece of extra jute rope at the bottom to try and keep it straight because it comes wrapped up in the spool, so they have kind of a weird little looped end that always happens. So here is our finished carrot. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Thank you, and have a very good rest of your day. Bye bye.